So it's me and you, right, Gio?
Yeah, it's me and David.
Hey, are we gonna introduce?
Sure.
Who am I with?
Huh?
Who am I with?
You're with Giovanni and David. Recording. Okay. My name's Josh. Joshua, I go by Josh. I'm Josh V06. This is Houston Elite Airsoft team. We're gonna start playing again. We stopped over the summer, but we're gonna play every 2 weeks, right, David? Show the field. And over there is you can't see it, but there's water and it's like a mini beach. We're based around Dickinson, League City. I'm from North Houston. I come down here just to play. We got about 10 members.
Missing two.
Yeah, someone didn't come today. This is David. Spring M4, Giovanni, JG Barten,
Gio.
Nicholas, JG MP5A4, David,
M16, A4.
M16, JG M16 and JG MP5 SD5, and me, SEMA M14. Alright, thanks. Okay, we're gonna start playing.
Alright.